Civil danger warning. The following is a civil danger warning. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. A state of emergency is in effect for California. Over the past week, several thousand deaths have occurred throughout California. The victims would have deep bite wounds on their neck, with blood spilling on the floor, and writing in blood saying different messages, ending with the name of the murderer. The murderer is suspected to be a 17-year-old girl called EAS, who is around 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighs around 125 pounds, and has dark brown, long, wavy hair and blue-green-brown glowing eyes, as well as having visible fangs. If you see this girl, call 911. Do not approach the girl, as you may be putting your life at risk. Try to get away from the area you have last seen her as quickly, but as calmly as possible. All Californian residents must shelter in place. To shelter in place, turn off all lights, close and lock all windows and doors, secure and barricade yourself with any means possible, such as boards or furniture. Gather provisions for your family and yourself, such as food, water, and medical supplies to last at least 1 week, as well as a battery-powered radio with spare batteries. Martial law will be enacted, and a curfew is placed for all of California between sunset and sunrise. All those caught outside will be arrested and charged. All crimes will be met with lethal force. Repeating, many deaths have been reported around California, and information describing the suspect EAS has been sent to all mobile phones. If you see EAS, call 911. Tune into local media outlets for further information.